Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelia for those of you who are new here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these beautiful curls using the new Rizos Curls Light and Hold Gel. So the first thing I'm going to do to prep my hair is I'm going to shampoo and condition using the Rizos Curls products. First, I'm going to be using their Hydrating Shampoo to get into my roots and make sure that they're super clean. I love Rizos Curls so much that I actually ran out of the conditioner, but I'm going to be using their Refresh and Detangle spray. And I am going to be using their Flexi brush because I absolutely love to detangle my hair with this. Hello! So I'm out of the shower. He always has to be next to me. You don't notice, but in all my videos, he is literally next to me. Good boy. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I beat my face real quick. And it's ready to style. So I'm going to section off my hair, and I am going to be using my denim brush because I absolutely love this. This is like the holy grail to my beautiful curls. I love this brush so much. My curls come out so beautiful when I use it. So yeah, so like section off our hair. And let's apply the product. Of course, I'm going to be using my styling cream, curl defining cream by Rizos Curls. I always recommend that when you're styling your hair, always use the same brands because these products aren't meant to be used together. First, I'm going to apply curl defining cream all over my hair. I'm going to be sectioning it off. Just use little by little. Kind of like just rake through it real quick with the product. I want to know, what shows are you currently watching on Netflix? I just finished watching Bridgerton and oh my god, it was so good. It was so saucy and spicy and woo, that Duke. Let's talk about the Duke real quick. That Duke is so good looking. Okay. So I always kind of just detangle a little bit with this if it's tangled. And I try to use the smallest section possible. This is gonna go up here. Smallest section as possible. I'm gonna curl out. Now we're gonna shake it off real quick, and that's it. That is how I use my denim brush. I started watching the show by myself, and then my boyfriend walked in on episode 2 and he was like, oh my gosh, this is so good. And he always does that. Like, I could never find a show that I just watch alone, like while he's playing his video games. Like, I like to have some me time and watch some shows by myself. And then he walked in and I was like, great, now I have to wait for you to finish watching it. But we actually, like, we both literally were so hooked that we watched it in like 2 days. I'm gonna fast forward this because it's gonna be a really long video if we just sit here and wait for me to like do section by section. So now I am going to apply some of the gel. Before the gel even came out, I felt like I didn't need that much hold. I only needed a little bit, so I'm gonna be using just a teeny bit to apply to the rest of my hair so you can see. I feel like that's enough. And then Jackson, go ahead and apply it with my plain hands. Because I felt like I didn't need that much hold. Okay, so I switched to my bathroom, which is where I have this crazy blue curtain. I don't know about you all, but I'm so tired of seeing this all white aesthetic. I love color in my home. Like, if you visited my home, I have a lot of colors, especially blue. I love blue in the house. But anyways, I'm gonna diffuse my hair, and I'm gonna be using the hover method because I feel like that's been helping me a lot with my curls. and I feel like my hair doesn't frizz up as much when I use the hover method. Basically what I do is literally just hover diffuser around my head until it creates a cast. Then when the cast is created, then I'm gonna go really in with the diffuser to kind of like break the cast and soften the curls. And also while you're doing it, it's important that you like flip your head to each side and then also upside down so that your hair can have movement and it's not just like stuck on one side. Okay, so my hair is almost dry, not fully yet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the diffuser and break that cast that formed. And it's not a thick, like I don't know how to explain it, but it's not like super, like it's not a hard cast, like it's just a light because I didn't use that much gel. So we shall see, let's just keep diffusing. Look at that shine. What do we think? Super bouncy, super springy. Again, I love using the denim brush because my curls end up being so springy and curly. I love it. We're almost there, not quite yet. I try not to touch it so much because I don't want that much frizz. A little bit of frizz is okay, but not a lot. Now I'm going to use my Rizos Curls Peak and kind of just pick it out so I can have more volume. I rather have definition than volume because I feel like I already have a lot of hair. But once in a while, I don't mind the big hair. Hey, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Do we like it? Look at this definition. And I only used a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. When using the right products, a little bit goes a long way. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Super happy with the results. I love it so much. The definition is insane. The volume is insane.
So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you next time. Bye! Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.